In this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Go to Instagram app and tap on it. Go into your Instagram profile, tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner. Tap on Account Center. Scroll downwards. Tap on Password and Security. Over here, tap on two-factor authentication. Here, you need to choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. As you can see here, I have just one account, so I'm going to tap on it, Graph Technology. So you can see here, two-factor authentication is on, so I want to take it off. How you get login code, SMS or WhatsApp. So that is the one that is active. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on this. You'll see the turn off two-factor authentication. If you turn off two-factor authentication, your account will no longer have an extra layer of protection. So that's what it means. But I'm going to go ahead for this example and turn it off. So two-factor authentication is off. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing. If you want to learn how to turn your two-factor authentication, please click on the video that appears next. I'll see you in the next video.